A dog's feet. Ears. It's an elephant's ears. Elephant's ears. Elephant's ears. Elephant's ears.
Good job.
Huh? Oracle. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday to you.
What other animals are still missing parts?
I don't know. There's frogs' feet.
Those were frogs' feet?
Yeah. It's part. Oh. Hey. That's good. It's part. I did it. I did it.
Good job.
Where'd it go?
Where'd what go?
That way in? I find it. I find it. Daddy, I find it.
Yeah, you're doing really good. Good job, bud.
It's moist here. It's Luke. It's part of Luke. Oh, yeah. There we have the cat. Maybe a leak. We sing, hit me down, we sing, we sing, up me down. It's part of whale.
It's part of a whale?
Yeah.
Is that the other part you just found?
I find Nemo.
Uh-huh.
That's right there.
What animal is that?
It's part of Project.
It's a what?
The project.
Is that part of a sea urchin?
Sea urchin. Sea urchin.
What animal is that?
It's part of yak. What's that?
That sounds like my car.
Good job.